Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential product for all aquarium enthusiasts, the Aquarium Siphon Gravel Cleaner. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description for those interested in checking out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Aquarium Siphon Gravel Cleaner? This manual fish tank vacuum cleaning kit is designed to make your aquarium maintenance much easier. It features a manual press design, meaning there's no need for electricity, and it operates quietly, saving you both time and effort while keeping your fish tank in top shape. Let's talk about some of the incredible features that set this product apart. The package includes everything you need to clean various types and sizes of fish tanks. Inside, you'll find an air pressure control unit, a glass scraper blade, an extension pipe connector, 2 extension inlet pipes, a hose clip, an adapter, a clamp, an outlet hose, and a pipe clamp holder. This comprehensive kit ensures that you have all the tools necessary for effective cleaning and water changes. One of the standout advantages of this gravel cleaner is its filter net, which prevents your fish and small gravel from being sucked out of the tank during the cleaning process. This thoughtful design feature ensures the safety of your aquatic pets while still allowing you to keep your aquarium clean. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a fish owner, whether you have a small tank or a larger aquarium, this gravel cleaner is perfect for you. It's especially handy for those who may not have the time or energy to perform regular tank maintenance. It's equally beneficial for turtle tank owners, as it can effectively manage waste and debris in those environments as well. So, how do you make the most of this product? The Aquarium Siphon Gravel Cleaner is ideal for several practical uses. You can use it for aquarium sand and gravel washing, cleaning fish excrement, removing residual debris, and even changing the water in your tank. Regular cleaning helps maintain the dynamic balance of your aquarium environment, ensuring a healthy habitat for your fish and other aquatic life. Using the siphon is straightforward, just press a few times, and the cleaner will start working. While it may take a little longer to drain, the slower speed means you can effectively remove more waste without losing too much water too quickly. It strikes a perfect balance between efficiency and care for your aquarium. So, to wrap up, the Aquarium Siphon Gravel Cleaner is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to simplify their aquarium maintenance routine. With its comprehensive kit and user-friendly design, it's a must-have for both novice and experienced fish keepers alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe